In this video, we're gonna take a look at TRADOVATE and the AMP futures to see which broker is better. So I have here a list with the pros and cons. We're gonna start with TRADOVATE. So best for cloud-based futures trading with community features. As you can see, the pros: no commissions on futures, modern interface across desktop, web and mobile, plus integrated simulator. The cons: platform stability issues, users report freezes, outages, slow execution, higher fees for data integration and market data compared to AMP. Now we have AMP futures, so best for low cost multi-platform futures trading, ultra low commissions, as you can see 25 cents per contract, supports over 60 platforms, MT5, Sierra, etc., and free platform data bundling. Generally praised for solid customer support and easy withdrawals, and high withdrawal wire fees. Occasional complaints of quote slippage manipulation. So these are the pros and cons for each one of them. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.